Okay, so this is now Super Project Miata. We have this car that we just picked up, obviously my car. Then, on top of that, this car. All these cars, well, I should say this car and this car, both picked up for 500 bucks. So now me, Josh, and Ryan are gonna take this car apart, take what parts we want off it. We're gonna take the drivetrain all out of this car and hope that it's really good and put it into my Miata and then sell everything else we don't need and try to make one really good car.
1.8 power.
1.8 power. If it has a diff in it, boom. That was worth 500 bucks right there.
Yeah, if not more.
And then he gets new bumpers.
That's definitely like my needs.
I mean, I've definitely seen worse cars
Driven on the road.
driven on the road. Cause I easily could have just done donuts.
All I gotta do is pop one of the axles out and run.
I mean, I could be wrong.
How did this guy drive this car? I should have took that one out too.
You
It
should
would have
have.
good memories.
You should throw it in the back of the truck, and then when he
Grab it, Jeff.
and then when he fucking not looking. This thing's actually people want this.
The case is on the trailer.
That's how you do it.
Good working 1.6 drive shaft.
Better than mine when I originally got it.
I can just put a gun on it.